Good evening. We begin tonight with the way judges are selected in the state of South Carolina. More specifically, who makes that decision. Today, 9 solicitors signed a letter addressed to House Speaker Merle Smith and Senate Judiciary Committee Chairman Luke Rankin. In that letter, they say lawmakers who are also lawyers should not serve on the Judicial Merit Selection Commission. News 19's Rachel Ripp has been digging into the details. She joins us in studio tonight with what she's found. Rachel, what's going on here?
Yes, JR, this is a copy of the letter. In it, the 9 solicitors from all corners of the state reference examples of what they call are, quote, a lack of regard for the rule of law, all of which are examples pulled from the Judicial Merit Selection Commission member, Todd Rutherford.
They should at least show where I've done something wrong.
House Minority Leader and Judicial Merit Selection Commission member Todd Rutherford says a letter citing impropriety in his recent cases from 9 solicitors to Speaker Smith and Chairman Rankin is all a power grab. In a press conference Monday, Rutherford says in his nearly 10 years serving on the Judicial Merit Selection Commission, also known as JMSC, solicitors have had no problem with him. That is, until now.
In their letter, they quote the Gerard Price case. However, the Attorney General of this state, Alan Wilson, in arguing that case in front of the South Carolina Supreme Court, when posed a direct question, did this have anything to do with the fact that I was a lawyer legislator? His answer was no.
In the letter, these 9 solicitors cite Rutherford's recent cases, but conclude that they want all lawyer legislators replaced on the JMSC. Kevin Brackett is one of the 9, who serves as the 16th Circuit Solicitor in York and Union counties.
It creates a clear appearance of conflict. I mean, these folks are deciding who the judges are that are going to preside over the cases they bring to court.
Brackett says, in an ideal world, in the JMSC, the legislature and the governor would have an equal say in it, and then ultimately the people through retention elections. Rutherford says he'd love to hear proposals on JMSC reform, but is not inclined to having the governor appoint judges directly, given the possible influence of campaign donation dollars. Both parties tell News 19 they agree the JMSC structure can change, but Rutherford says the current system works. Brackett says it certainly doesn't. Now, Rutherford said he won't let his adversaries determine his position and that he fully intends to begin screening lawyers who want to be judges next month. On the other hand, Brackett says he wants immediate change and that these solicitors plan to share input and thoughts with Speaker Smith's committee on how to select judges here in South Carolina. In studio, Rachel Ripp, News 19 WLTX.
Rachel, thank you. We also got statements from a couple of members of the Judiciary Committee tonight. Representative Jay Jordan telling us that public confidence in the judicial system is a cornerstone of good government. And Representative Mika Caskey says he hopes prosecutors will participate fully in our judicial selection process and in the House's ad hoc committee in person, saying their live testimony would be helpful.